These tequila lime pulled pork tacos are gonna blow your regular taco routine right out of the water. Margaritas are always optional on Taco Tuesday, and this recipe gives you lots of time to enjoy one because the slow cooker does all the work. Cheers. Check these out. Delicious pulled pork tacos topped with simple and fresh ingredients. Yep, you guessed it, we're making another recipe from the Taco Tuesday cookbook this week. So let's get these tacos going. So in my slow cooker, I'm gonna add my chicken broth, tequila, and while I know a lot of people are wary about cooking with alcohol, I assure you that it cooks right off. But adding it adds tons of flavor, and the sugar alcohols also tenderize the meat. Then we add lime juice, we're gonna grate some garlic, and my smoky Arriba seasoning. But you can use taco seasoning here as well. I have this pork shoulder roast that I'm just going to add straight into the bowl, cover it, and cook on high for 6 hours or until you can pull apart with a fork. Guys, this is one of those recipes that you can easily set it and forget it and go on with your day. You can totally cook this roast for 8 or more hours and it'll be even more tender. I'm gonna transfer the pork onto a plate and shred it with 2 forks and then return it back to the slow cooker. Meanwhile, the rest of the items to make these tacos epic. But now you know the drill. I like to warm up my corn tortillas over the open flame, but you, of course, can warm them up in the microwave or the oven. Oh my gosh, this smells amazing. So let's place some of the pork right onto our tortillas. Sprinkle some of the jalapeño and onion, a dab of guacamole, sprinkle the queso fresco, and some cilantro. Holy guacamole, this taco is so good. All I need is a margarita. Wait for it, let's make one. So in my cookbook, I have the best margarita recipe, and there's no sugar or anything like that added. It's just lime juice, tequila, cointreau, all the good things in the shaker. Let's get to it. The pork tacos, the margaritas. Guys, make sure to click the links right below this video to find out more on the Taco Tuesday cookbook and that red subscribe button. A new video comes out every single week and it'll give us something to talk about.